But right now, we are going to learn how to prepare a turkey so that it is not dry. So we got garlic powder, lemon pepper, soul food seasoning, poultry seasoning, cayenne pepper, and something else I was looking for. But we're not gonna do no sage. Anyway, so I'm going to season him with poultry seasoning, all over. What was it? Okay, I have a soul food seasoning. Now we're gonna do poultry. We are going to do garlic powder. Now, I know to some they may say that seems like she's using a lot, but I'm gonna show you just what's gonna happen when I'm done. This is lemon pepper, and it's very simple what you need to do so that you don't have a dry turkey. And I like to use a little bit of Cajun pepper, cayenne pepper. Right? So people are going live on YouTube. Call us. Girl, it's Thanksgiving. Why are you on YouTube messing with your kids? I don't know. Anyway, so you season it best you can. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. I don't do a lot of salt. I had to get away from a lot of that. Okay, my bad, y'all. I had to get away from all that salt, and so I'm going to be using the soul food seasoning. You just season piece by piece. I'm gonna turn him over real quick. Again, what I am doing is seasoning the turkey and preparing it for the oven so that it don't be dry. Cayenne pepper, poultry seasoning. We're gonna do lemon pepper. The lemon pepper, I like that, so gonna do that real quick. We are going to do soul food seasoning, and we of course are going to do garlic powder. So what we're gonna do is gonna take all your seasoning and rub them down like rubbing your boyfriend's feet after a hard day's work. Or your husband, shall I say. You know what I mean? You're gonna rub them down. Rub them, rub them, rub them. So now, let me clean my hands real quick. And it's really simple what you need to do so that the turkey don't get dry. I'm going to use butter. I should have melted it some. Maybe I will in the microwave. So you're going to take your butter and you're going to basically butter them down. And you know, during the night, you're going to keep checking on them. Right? and basin. Can't handle dry turkey. So you're gonna put butter on them. And turn them over. Excuse me. I'm gonna take the butter. I'm gonna rinse my hands one more time. So, can you see him? Yep. So I did that. I'm gonna put a little more garlic. I'm gonna do a little more soul food seasoning. And like I said, just the kicker is the butter. Put butter inside. I don't put my stuffing inside my turkey because if the stuffing should go bad, your turkey is gone. And stuffing has milk and eggs and all that stuff, and so if it go bad, you're done. So let's see. Butter. Some more butter. Put some here on his legs. Put some on his wings. And that's the catch, the butter. That's it. Yep. Do I want rosemary? I'm going to actually melt this butter so that we can have a little bit more. So what I am doing is seasoning the turkey so that he don't be dry. So I seasoned them with all my seasoning. I use cayenne pepper, garlic powder, poultry seasoning, soul food seasoning, and lemon pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit more just because. We don't do a lot of salt, so we kind of mix some of everything. Now this is the butter. You guarantee not to ever have a dry turkey again if you do these things. Yep. And that's about it. So seasoned them down. I put my seasoning on them. I put half a stick of butter, seasoned his wings, buttered his wings, buttered his legs, put butter in his butt. And now I'm gonna wrap him and he's gonna be ready to go in the oven. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.